Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Riyat Makaspak from Philippines, 43 years old, married but now 13 years single mom, and I have two kids who's with me and now they are in college. I had experience abroad, one in Jordan. I took care infant and a 6 years old with this baby who was in 2 weeks old that time. I feed her. I prepare milk in a bottle. I change her clothes. I always take care of her, especially at night when their parents are not around. I also wash their clothes, preparing their food. With this 6 years old, I prepare her lunchbox for school, and also I teach her with her homeworks. I teach her how to speak in English, how to write in English, how to count, how to draw, how to color, and also I always play with her, going in the park, in the mall, especially at weekends. And also I do all the house chores such as vacuuming, sweeping, changing bed covers, cleaning the bedrooms. Also I do washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and also I prepare food. I cook simple dishes for my employer. And the other one is from Dubai. I worked there, finished contract year 2018 to 2021. From Dubai, I also do all the house chores, and I take care of three kids who's 4 years old, 6 years old, 8 years old. I always teach them with their homeworks. I prepare their food, their lunchbox. I teach them how to write, how to sing, how to speak in English, do all their homeworks, and also I'll always play with them, singing with them. We go to the park, to the mall at weekends, and also I always prepare a good meal for them and teach them how to compose themselves, how to speak with respect to others, and also I teach them how to be kind, how to be polite, how to be generous to others, and also I always make sure that they are safe, especially when they are with me. Also, I do all the housework such as vacuuming, ironing, washing clothes, cleaning the bedrooms, cleaning the bathrooms, and I do also the marketing, preparing meals, cook, and when I had time, I always make sure that my employer will always be uh, have a good communication with me. I work with a smiling face, and I always had a good connection with my employers so that they could treat me like a family, and I treat them also as my family. And with that, I had that good and very very satisfied experience working in Jordan and Dubai with my employers. And I hope to see you soon, ma'am and sir. I hope I can work with you. I hope I can satisfy you with my works, and I'll make sure that you can trust me, that you can lean on me, and that we had a good communication. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, and God bless.